everyone, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to share a simple but powerful plan to help you improve your English in just 30 days. If you feel stuck, frustrated, or like you're not making progress, don't worry. You just need the right strategy. In this lesson, you'll learn exactly what to do every day to boost your listening, speaking, and confidence in English. No more wasting time on methods that don't work. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's start making real progress. The first step is listening to English every day. The more you listen, the faster your brain adapts to the language. But here's the secret. Don't just listen. Repeat and shadow native speakers. This means copying their pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Start with easy content, like this lesson, and increase the difficulty step by step. Listen and repeat. I will listen to English every day. I will improve my listening skills. Next, think in English instead of translating. Many learners slow themselves down by always translating in their heads. This makes speaking difficult and unnatural. Instead, connect words directly to their meanings. For example, when you see a cup, don't think of your native language first. Just think cup. Let's practice. I will stop translating in my head. I will think in English. Speaking is another key skill, and the best way to improve is by practicing out loud. If you don't have a speaking partner, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, your plans for the day, or even retell a story. You can also use shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it exactly. Let's try. I will practice speaking every day. Speaking English is easy when I practice. Another big mistake learners make is not reviewing what they learn. Learning something once is not enough. You need to see, hear, and use new words multiple times to remember them. So every day, spend 5 minutes reviewing what you learned the day before. Repeat after me. I will review and practice my English daily. I will not forget what I learn. And finally, be consistent. Learning English isn't about studying for hours once a week. It's about practicing a little bit every day. Even 10-15 minutes daily will help you improve faster than you think. The key is to enjoy the process. Choose topics you like, make learning fun, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Say it with me. I will stay consistent with my learning. I am improving step by step. So, my dear students, now you know exactly how to improve your English in just 30 days. Listen more, speak more, stop translating, review daily, and stay consistent. If you follow these steps, you'll see amazing results. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest challenge in learning English? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our playlist for more practice. Keep going, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.